Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Snaptik not working on your phone. So a Snaptik apps is a video downloader app where you can usually use to download videos, especially from TikTok, without a watermark. But if the app is not working on your phone, you can try to fix it using these steps or these methods that I'm going to show and tell you. The first step is that you need to check your internet connection. So maybe your internet is not good because Snaptik requires a stable and strong internet connection. So ensure that you have a good internet connection and restart your device if necessary. And the second step that you can do, you can try to clear the cache and data. You can go to the app settings on your phone. In here on the settings, you can find apps and then just choose Snaptik. Here you can go to the storage and cache, and here you can click on this clear cache option or also clear storage. Okay, after you do this, you can check if the problem is fixed by reopening the app. And the third method that you can do is you can check for any updates available. You can update the app if there is any update available on the Play Store in here. For example, if it says update, then you just need to update the app first. And you can check the app store, or Google Play Store for any available updates for Snaptik, and you can install them to fix any bugs or compatibility issues. And the last method that you can try to fix this problem, this is the very last resort, you can uninstall the app first and then reinstall it again. So after you do that, you can try to relaunching the apps again, or you can also first restart your phone before you reinstall the apps again. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That's a few methods for me that you can do to fix Snaptik not working on your mobile phone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, click on thanks, and also subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.